Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friends, I will share you beautiful stone art ideas. I will share you. So viewers, let's start today video. So friends, first idea is friends, simple and clean nature giver. I turn simple stone into beautiful art. Nature gives us everything we need, with some colors and creative magic, happiness. Each stone becomes unique and special. Stone art is easy, fun, and very relaxing. Friendly stone art is perfect for beginner. You only need stone paint and a brush. No special skills needed. Just start and enjoy. Even simple dots and lines can look beautiful. Try it and surprise yourself. And viewers, next idea is cute decorative. These small stones can decorate your home. Use them in pots, table, or shelves. Cute designs make everything look happy. Simple art can bring big smile. And your viewers, and your friends, relaxing therapy style. Paint stone feel so special. Slowly stroke soft colors. Slim mind. It's help you relax and forget stress. Art is not just making, it is feeling. And friends, I hope you really enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for viewers more latest updates. So viewers, Allah Hafiz.